Good morning. So, we just completed the angles, triangles and all. So, today onwards we are going to start with the construction part. Okay. So, first we will deal with how we can construct an angle, then how we can copy an angle and how we can bisect an angle. So, for that what we need is ruler, compasses and protractor also we need just to check, okay, and scale also. So, first what you should do is just listen to class for first one and then pause it, then you just do it, and if you have any doubt check it once again and then move towards the next construction, okay. The first one is how we can copy an angle. So, for that first what we need is we have to draw an angle. So, take your protractor and draw a 50-degree angle. I know that you already studied how to draw an angle with protractor. So, I do not want to spend much time for that. So, with the protractor I just completed a 50-degree angle. Now, what we are going to do is we are copying this angle in some other place without using our protractor. So, in this what we should do, first we have to take our scale, draw a line segment. After drawing the line segment, I am just going to name it as QP. It is up to us which name you want you can give. So, line segment is ready. After that what we need is take our compass and the first one, the angle which we draw, in that its vertex we have to keep our compass. So, I just kept it in the vertex B, and in any length means any radius we can take it in our compass and just draw an arc which cuts this angle's arms, okay, which cuts this angle's both arms with the same length, no need to change, with the same radius. In this any of this point we have to keep our compass. So, I just kept it in Q. With the same measure I just marked one arc. After that, here these 2 points we have where these 2 arms cut this. So, it means I am just marking it as M and N. Now, take this length, take the length of this MN. So, I took that length. That same radius we have to take, and here this point where this arc touches this line segment, that point we have to keep and then cut the first arc. So, we got one point, just mark it. Now, this Q and this point join together with scale. So, take your scale, join this Q with this point. Now, I am just going to mark it as R. This is the copy of this angle. Now, just check it with your protractor. Here we drawn one 50-degree angle. Just check with your protractor the given one is the same 50-degree or not. Just check it. Yes, we got the same 50-degree. Like this way we are copying an angle. I am not saying 2 or 3 times, anyway it is a recorded one. So, you can pause it or you can rewind it and you can hear. So, I am not saying repeatedly. Now, the second one is how we can bisect an angle. Bisecting means how we can make one angle into 2 equal parts. So, for that first I am going to draw a 60-degree angle. Actually, it is up to you which angle you want to draw, you can draw it with your protractor. So, for the easiness I am just going to draw a 60-degree angle with protractor. Here I just draw an angle 60 degree. Now, we are going to bisect this angle. For that, what we need, we have to take our compass. With the compass, take the vertex. Whenever we are doing, we are keeping it in the vertex. So, we have to keep the compass in the vertex. So, we kept it in the vertex. After that, take any radius in your compass. So, I just took. Now, cut these two arms. With that, now this arc cuts these two arms in 2 points. So, I am just going to mark it as MN. Now, these 2 points, that is the point MN, these 2 points we have to consider. Now, in these 2 points we have to keep our compass. Now, any length we can take in our compass, okay, any radius. So, I am just taking the same length. If you want, you can take it a little bit more or less, it is up to you. Any length, and keep this M and N as centers, draw arc. M and N as center, you have to draw the arc. Keep it in your mind that M and N, that arc should be same length. Okay. So, we just did. Now, this meeting point, just mark. Now, with your scale, from Q to this point, we have to join with a straight line. Just join this one with a straight line. Take your protractor and check this length, that is this angle and these two angles. Just take with your protractor, check these two measures of the given angle. It will be 30 degree. Total it is 60. When we bisected, this we got 30 and this also 30 degree. So, copying and bisecting is over. Now, we are moving towards the next one, that is how we can construct angle with ruler and compasses only. Here we do not want our protractor. So, first one is 60 degree angle. So, for that 60 degree angle, first we need a line segment. That line segment with any length. So, we got a line segment. After that, what we need, take our compass. In one point, any of these two endpoints we can take. In that, we have to keep our compass. Any radius take in your compass and then cut this line segment. Just cut the line segment with an arc. So, with an arc, just cut this one. Now, this arc meets this line segment in a point here. Now, take that point in your compass with the same length, that is what radius you took to draw this arc, the same radius we have to take, and keeping this point as the center, we have to keep our compass. Then just cut the first arc. It meets in this point. So, that intersecting point is here. Now, the first point, that is here. Just join these two and draw another line segment. The first thing is, after drawing, we have to name this angle. It is up to you, you can. So, I am just naming it as A, B, C. Just check it with your protractor, it will be 60 degree. Definitely it will be 60 degree. Now if we got 60 degree, how we can bisect or how we can construct a 30-degree angle? It is asked you to draw a 30-degree angle with ruler and compass. So what we need? First we have to construct a 60-degree angle with our ruler and compass. After that we should bisect. So for that the same process we have to do. So that is, the first question was copying angle and the second one was how we can bisect an angle, and the third one was constructing 60 degree. Now we are moving towards the next one, that is how we can construct a 30-degree angle. To draw a 30-degree angle, first we want to draw a 60-degree angle with ruler and compass. Don't do it with your protractor. So the same process we are going to do. First, line segment. After drawing line segment, take this point, draw the arc with the same radius. In this point we have to keep our compass, intersects, and now this point is 60 degrees line. So we need actually 30 degree. So which we got first? It was 60 degree. So just do one thing, no need to draw the line properly, just do with dotted things, okay, just dotted line. But the intersecting point should be clearly drawn and then dotted lines. So we got 60 degree. Now we want to bisect this angle. How we can bisect? Anyway, first bisecting what we studied, we want to draw an arc. It's already here. Now no need to go for any another arc. Now take these 2 points. Which are the 2 points? This point and this point. These 2 points where this arc intersected these 2 arms. Take that point in your compass. That length or more than that or less than that, it's okay. More than half or this or more than that. So I just took the same length. Now what we need? We have to draw an arc. Keeping this compass in these 2 points. So intersected. Now this point we have to mark first, then join with this vertex. This is the required 30 degree. So when we are drawing 30 degree, it should be a proper line segment. So with our pencil and scale, we are drawing or we are joining this 2 points. This is the required angle. So here this angle we can mark. Angle PQR. So 30 degree we completed. So 60 degree, 30 degree we completed. Now we are moving towards the next one, that is how we can construct 120 degree. The next one is how we can construct 120 degree. So for drawing 120 degree, first we want to draw 60 degree. For that what we need? First a line segment. After drawing the line segment, take our compass, any length, draw an arc. That arc meets this line segment in this point. There we have to keep our compass, cut this arc. This one is 60 degree. Actually we need 120. 60 plus 60 is 120. So we got 60 degree. So once again we have to cut this arc. So here. This point. If this arc, if it is small, what you should do, just keep again in this place and just, so that it meets in this point. Now join this point with our scale and pencil. This is the required 120 degree. One more thing let me tell you, when we are drawing these type of angles, first better is just draw a rough figure. Just draw a rough figure. According to that we can start the work. So next question onwards, I will show you. First we have to draw a rough and then we can move towards the next one. So 120 degree we completed. Now the next one is 90 degree. How we can construct a 90 degree angle? To construct a 90 degree angle, first we need a 60 degree. So when we will get 90 degree angle? Just think of it 90 degree. How we will get 90 degree? So just draw a rough figure. This will be the 90 degree, right? So when we are drawing 90 degree rough figure, first name it. From here we are starting. So it is after 60, 90, after 90, 120 is coming, right? So first we want to draw 60 degree. Almost all the cases 60 is needed. So first let us draw a 60 degree angle. So take your scale, compass, arc, cut it 60 degree, again 120. So 60, 120 we got. Just see 60 and 120. It's bisector. When we are drawing, what we will get? Definitely we will get 90. See, from here to here it is 60 degree. Its half means 30 degree, right? So from here to here it is 60 degree, here to here it is 60 degree. Its half means here 30 degree we will get. So 60 plus 30, 90 degree we will get. So what we need? Now these two arcs are here, means the 60 and 120. Its bisector we want. How we can bisect these two angles? Take our compass. These length we have to take. When you are drawing, your pencil should be a sharpened one, then you will get the correct one. Okay, I took the same. Now attend the point. Arc, keeping this 120 arc. So now this point and this vertex we have to join. Why I told it as vertex? Here it was B and there it was C. So this is the vertex, right? So join them. This point and this B. So we got the required 90 degree. After drawing, just check it with your protractor. Definitely you will get 90 degree. If you are not getting this 90 degree, check 60, 120, it's correct or not. If it is not correct, you won't get the 90 degree properly. Now the next one is how we can draw a 45 degree angle. How we can draw a 45 degree angle? Just think about the 45 degree. 45 degree is the half of 90 degree. So first draw 90 degree, bisect this angle, then you will get 45 degree. Otherwise one more is there, one more option. What is that? 60, 30. When we are bisecting them, then also we will get 45 degree. There may be 2 or 3 methods to construct. You can decide which one you need. According to that, you just follow. Okay. Now we are going to draw the next one, that is 45 degree. Both methods I will show you which one you want, you can do it. So first we are drawing a rough figure of 45 degree. 45 degree completed. Name it. According to this we are drawing. So 2 we need, right? So the first, let us do bisecting this 90 degree. Line segment first. After that we want to draw 60 degree. For that first we need the arc. Then first bisecting 60. Second bisecting 120. But here it's not reached. So I am just extending. 60, 120. Now bisector of these two, we will get 90 degree. Join it. Before that, here we are marking it as MN. Join these two. Join. We got 90 degree. Now we should bisect this 90 degree. How we can bisect? First draw the arc. So arc is already here. Now take these 2 points, that is where this arms are intersecting with the arc. That 2 points we are taking, means this and this point. If you want, I am just marking it as PQ. More than half or the same length or more than this length. It's up to you. Bisect. We got the point. Now this point with this vertex. Join them. This is the required one. So here it is L. If you want, you can make this one as the dotted one. So we got the required 45 degree angle. Now the same way we are going to do with the 60 and 30 degree. So first we need a line segment. After that 60 degree. The first one is 60. Now bisect these two. How we can bisect more than half of it? We took this point, and here also we have to keep our compass. This point we cut. What is this given angle? Bisecting these two, what we will get? It is a 30 degree, not 45, it will be 30 degree, okay? Half of these two. Actually we need 45. From here to here it is 30. Here to here it is 30. This 30 is bisecting. We will get here 15 we will get. That means 30 plus 15, 45. If we want 15 degree angle, bisect. Again bisect these two. You will get here 1. That will be 15 degree. So I am just going to draw that 45 degree. Means where our arc, I think you can see this one. This point and this point. These 2 points, join them with this vertex. It is N and this M. With this vertex, join this intersected point. This point, this one is L. The same way as I told, if you want, you can make this one as the dotted one. I just forgot about that, just to draw the dotted one. So here we got the required 45 degree. 45 degree. Okay. The same way, is there any other method to draw 90 degree angle? A 90 degree? For drawing 90 degree, one more method is there. Let us see how we can draw 90 degree. First, a rough figure 90 degree. Name it. According to that, we are going to start. So first, we need a line segment. Anywhere we can mark one point. So I am just marking a point here. We can draw a point. This is our vertex, that is B. So I am just marking it as B. So from here we are drawing. The other side is C. So C. Now this as a point. This as the center. What we need? We have to, this line is here, right? This line we have to cut with 2 arcs. Both the arcs should be in the opposite side. So take this point. We kept our compass. arc completed. So 2 arcs we got. After that, take these 2 points. Can make it as P and Q. Now this PQ we have to take. More than half of it we want to take here. Okay, more than half. Arc in the top. The same way with this Q as center, another one. It bisected here. Now this point we have to join with this B. Which point these 2 arcs intersected in a point. It should be joined with this B. Just extend it. Okay. This is the required angle ABC. When we are drawing like this, it means it is a 90-degree angle. So we just completed 7 angles. One is copying and the other one bisecting. Rest of them are angles. So just do this. After that, in your rough book, once again you just draw this ones. Okay. If you are trying, then only your angles will be the perfect ones. Okay. Thank you.